Hello, everyone, and welcome into another episode of Going to Attic Space. My name is Jason Boning, and I'm the owner of Uni-Serve Air Conditioning in Houston, Texas, where we maintain, repair, and replace HVAC systems all across this great city. Today, I want to share with you some updates that we have to our maintenance plan. We've just kind of passed the anniversary where I took over Uni-Serve Air Conditioning. So I've now been the owner for a little over 3 years now. And one of the things we did when I first took over is implement a maintenance plan. And it was a pretty standard maintenance plan that a lot of AC companies offer. And so what I mean by that is the typical 2 visits a year, come out, do a cooling check in the spring, a heating check in the fall, and let you know how your system's doing. Clean it up, do a little tune-up, all that type of stuff. And it's been great. We've been able to provide a lot of great service, keep a lot of systems running for a lot of our great customers. But I've always sensed that we needed a little bit more. And what I mean by that is coming out 2 times a year is great, but we really only get 2 data points on your system, if you will. So over the course of 365 days, we're only out there 2 times. And for some people, they only get us scheduled for 1 time, and then they miss that second time because, just people are busy, got a lot of stuff going on. And so I was always looking into how can we keep track of systems on a more regular basis. And we don't just want to start adding visits and come out 4 times a year or 8 times a year. I mean, people, I think our customers like us, but I don't think they want to see us that often, right? And so in this age of technology that we live in, there's lots of ways we can do that. And so one of the ways that we can keep a better eye of keeping more data on your system is through sensors. And that's when I started doing a lot of research, and long story short, met the people at Smart AC, which happens to be right here in Houston. And we were able to connect. And anyways, long story short, we have new membership plans that are built around monitoring your system using these Smart AC sensors. So we're now transitioning from a traditional maintenance plan with 2 visits a year to membership plans with 24/7 monitoring. And I'll talk about a couple of the options with these plans. But that's really the whole idea of it, is that we can monitor systems in real time. We can keep track of data over time so that we really have a good idea of how these systems are performing. So just to give you a little idea of what these sensors do, there's 3 sensors in a kit, and we install those in your home to track your system and to monitor how it's performing. There's 1 sensor that goes on a supply grill so that we can measure the temperature of the supply air. There's another sensor that goes in the return so that we can measure the temperature of the return as well as the pressure to get an idea of when your filters need to be changed. And the difference in those is what we call a delta T, a temperature split, anything along those lines. But that really gives us a good indication of how your system is performing. And then there's also a water sensor that's going to go in the drain pan. For most people, that's up in the attic, and so we'll have a sensor in that drain pan so that if the primary drain gets backed up and water starts dripping into that secondary, we'll be able to sense that and know that, hey, that primary drain is backed up. It's time to go out there and clear it out. So with that said, the 3 sensors to be able to track the performance of these HVAC systems so that we have this data where we can track if something is about to go out or something's happening, something's not performing as well as it should, a primary condensate drain line is backing up. And so those are all great things that we need to know about, and we're able to monitor all of that 365 days a year. So instead of just having 2 data points on the system for 2 days out of the year, we now have several data points, several throughout the day over 365 days a year. So we're really excited about this. And we are now calling these the Uni-Shield membership plans. And there's 3 options. And so I'll talk briefly about those. So first off, we have the Protect option. So what the whole idea there is that we want to protect your system. And so that includes the sensors for 24/7 HVAC monitoring. So we'll be able to install those sensors on your system, and we'll also come out one time a year to perform all of the maintenance. So instead of coming out twice a year, we're just going to come out once a year and do basically all the same things that we did over the course of those 2 visits. And so some people may be thinking, oh, well, I'm losing a visit. Well, yes, but you're also gaining 24/7 monitoring. So that's what I was saying about those data points that we have on your system. We're gaining a ton more data points on those systems. And so we think that's really awesome, a huge value to our customers. So once again, just to summarize, the Protect plan, 24/7 monitoring with the smart AC sensors, and 1 in-person visit a year. We also have what we call a virtual visit, where one of our technicians is going to jump in one time a year, probably maybe 6 months after that in-person visit, and really drill down into the data, see how things are looking, and then connect with you virtually and let you know how that system is operating. All right, so that's the kind of a high-level overview of the Protect plan. Next, we have simply what we call a Detect plan. And so Detect is we're just simply offering the monitoring service. And so maybe you're like, hey, I just want you to keep an eye on it. If something's about to go bad, then let's fix it. Or if something does go bad, then let's fix it. And there's a lot of people like that they're like, hey, I know this is getting low or this doesn't look great, but we're just gonna ride with it until it goes out completely. And hey, that's perfectly fine. If that's what you want to do, we can definitely help with that. And the Detect plan is a great option for that. So we'll just install those sensors. We'll keep an eye on it, let you know if something's happening. And then as far as the maintenance goes, you just let us know. If you want us to come out once every 2 years or once every 3 years, or not at all, that's completely up to you. And so that we want to have that option for people that don't necessarily want that routine maintenance every year. And that is, once again, the Detect plan. So Protect, 24/7 monitoring, we're going to come out once a year, also give you a virtual visit. The Detect, we're not coming out, we're just doing the monitoring. And then also, we also have a Connect option. And what that is kind of another part of these new memberships is it's access to our app. And so we now have a Uni-Serve app, and it's through the Smart AC partnership that we have that. And it's just simply access to our app. And so if you're like, hey, I don't want any of the monitoring, I don't really want you guys to come out on a regular basis, but I do want to be able to connect with you guys whenever I do have a problem. And that's our Connect plan. So we'll give you access to the app, and whenever you have an issue, you jump on there and you can connect to us directly. And so the app has a lot of cool features. We're going to be sharing some of those features in the coming days. We'll put, it's on our website. We'll give you some links, all that good stuff. But we're really excited about the direction we're going here at Uni-Serve with being able to provide a membership plan that includes this monitoring as well as maintenance, and really our goal here is to be on the cutting edge of customer service when it comes to keeping people's HVAC systems operating and providing comfort for you and your family in your home. So that's really what it's all about for us. So our mission really drives everything we do. And our mission starts with loving our neighbors here in the greater Houston area. And we do that by providing HVAC services to maintain healthy, comfortable spaces. And we really see this as kind of the next iteration of Uni-Serve, being able to take that to the next level in customer support. So if you're not currently a maintenance customer, let us know. We'd love to sign you up for one of our membership plans. If you are currently a maintenance customer, we will be reaching out to you over the course of the coming months to switch you over to one of our membership plans if you so choose. and at that time we can share more about that with you. So I hope that gives you a little insight into what we're doing and where we're going, and we look forward to continuing to serve our neighbors here in the greater Houston area.